Hey everyone, this is Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So we have come across an error with HEX Installer which is saying that we cannot use it anymore after the Android 11 update. Well, I have got a simple fix for the problem and I am going to show you how to do it. Alright, so if we open up HEX Installer, we will get a notification like this telling us to set up ADB theming option. Now there are several ways to do it, but we will do this an easy way. So this notification says that from OneUI 3.1 and above, HEX needs custom theming configuration via ADB. So if we click on this notification, we will see some options for custom theming. Now scroll down and select Run with Shizuku. Now with this option, we don't need a root device and we don't need a PC. So it will be done easily and in simple steps. Now if you click on this option, it will redirect you to the Play Store, or you can simply go to the Play Store and search Shizuku app. After that, go to phone settings, open about phone, go to software information and tap on build number 7 times to open developers option. You can turn off developers option at any time after setting up custom theming. After that, go back and open developers option, scroll down and turn on USB debugging and wireless debugging. After that, open developers option and Shizuku app in split mode. Now in developers options, tap on wireless debugging option and then tap on pair device with pairing code. After that, in Shizuku app, tap on pairing option under wireless debugging option and enter the pairing code. And then click on start and it will start debugging. Once it's done, go back into HEX Installer. You might have to wait for a moment or restart the app for the changes to take effect. Open the app and you can see the HEX theming setup is installed, and all we have to do is apply the HEX theme. Go back into personalize and set up your theme. I have already done all the settings. If you don't know how to do it, I will link the complete tutorial video in description. Okay, now go back and open settings, scroll down and tap on HEX themes menu and then tap on apply HEX plus. It will take you to the theme store. Just click on try it out. We have the HEX installer back working fine as it was before the update. Now if this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.